fish na may talbos ng kamuti from the garden. May malunggay from the garden. Ladyfinger from the garden. Okay. That is called tinolang isda na may utan. This is fish. This cooked fish. Okay. Not always, I cook also dried fish. This one is fresh one. Okay. Yeah, let's cook together. Fresh, yummy. Always have gulay-gulay. Good for the body. Okay. This is malunggay. Okay. And this is ladyfinger from the garden. Okay. Let's cook together. The water boil already. Let's put the fish. Okay. Put the fish. Lagay natin yung isda. Okay? Isda. Yes, and then the okra. Okay, the okra. Then let's put boil again. Okay, let's put boil again. Now boil again. Let's try if the taste is okay. Okay? I'm not a good cooker. Cooker? Okay? Yummy. Always eat fresh. The taste is okay. Okay. Let's make this one become soft. The ladyfinger. Okay. A little bit boil. Okay. Fish with a gulay. And boil again. Let's put the sweet potato leaf. Okay. Sweet potato leaf. Yummy. I like gulay. Every time I cook, have soup and gulay. For my mother and my father, she like gulay. So I always cook gulay, you know. This one very fast. Don't too long the boiling. This one, the gulay. Okay. Then the malunggay. You put the malunggay. Okay. Ta-da! See, ala gulay. Ala gulay. Put all the gulay. Okay. Yan. My menu today. Done already. See, ready to eat. Let's eat. I'm done cooking for breakfast. Okay, done already. Ta-da! Okay. Finish. Don't make boil too much. See, when you put all the leaf only second, you know. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. That is my menu for today for breakfast. Fish with gulay. That is called tinola. Tinola na may gulay. Diba? Yum. Let's eat for breakfast. Ready now for breakfast. I have gulay. Then I have rice. And I have a dry fish. Yes, dry fish. You like dry fish? Dry fish. Po, vinegar, yum yum, dry fish, Dry fish, meat frying dry fish, yummy. It's it. Thank you for watching. Simple but yummy, yummy. Thank you. Bye bye.